from the inside, we have a number of things. We have the power supply, we have the motherboard that holds a lot of components inside. Then we have these cables that supply power. And to start with, for us to remove all these things, we have first to unplug all the power cables. And to do that, you just unplug from wherever they are plugged. This is the hard drive. That one is out. These are one is out. You have to press the peg and then you pull. So once you're done unplugging all the cables, now you come and unscrew this power supply because it's screwed at the back.
Okay.
Once you unscrew those areas, you can remove. Once you're done unscrewing the power supply from the back, you slide it inside slowly, and then you can now remove it. So this is the power supply that holds all the cables that supply power to the other parts of the computer.